Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to limit your data usage in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the Network and Internet tab from the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on the connection you are currently using. By enabling this feature, you can set a specific data limit. Once you exceed this limit, Windows will automatically restrict further internet usage. You also have the option to reset this data limit on a specific date each month. For instance, you can choose to set your limit to, for example, 1000 gigabytes and then save your selection. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.